You know the pain. You pour every ounce of energy into your emails, crafting message after message, only to watch your sales trickle in like a leaky faucet. Frustration builds. Anger bubbles beneath the surface as you see competitors, less skilled, snagging deals that should have been yours. You're sick of spinning your wheels, wasting time on sequences that fall flat, that get ignored, deleted, or worse, marked as spam. This isn't just about missing numbers on a dashboard. It's about feeling powerless in the very thing that should ignite your business, your emails. It's a punch to the gut. The system feels rigged, overwhelming. But listen closely. Your salvation is in the secret patterns of email automation sequences, designed not just to nudge, but to ignite an unstoppable fire of sales. Forget everything you thought you knew about email marketing. The game changing sequences don't come from busting out generic templates or copy pasting bland follow ups. The sequences that drive massive sales tap directly into human psychology, into what makes founders, investors, and leaders like you tick. The first move: zero in on a sequence that disarms skepticism by opening with brutal honesty. No fluff, no jargon. Start with the pain point so raw it hurts to read but impossible to ignore. Make the reader feel seen. This breaks down walls. Then follow up immediately, not in days but hours later, with a pulse racing story or proof that shatters doubts like glass, showing you aren't just selling a product. You're selling a transformation, a way out of the chaos. Now, execution matters. Stop waiting to warm up cold leads. Launch a hyper-personalized 3-step blast within the first 48 hours of sign-up. A bold welcome email that promises a battle-tested secret, followed by a proof-packed case study that doesn't just tell, but shows the conquest of impossible goals. Then, seal it with a value-packed dose of scarcity paired with genuine care. A clear invitation to act now, not later. And here's the twist. Most miss. Every email must end with a simple, unmissable call to action that feels like a lifeline, not a sales pitch. Next level, layer in a re-engagement pinch of empathy. Send a raw, unfiltered email when people vanish. A message that says, "We see you. We get why you step back. Here's exactly how we fix that." Offer value without asking. No strings. Then, pull them back with an irresistible micro offer that lets them taste the win in a tiny, risk-free way. This is the brutally honest handshake people crave but rarely get. Track obsessively. Not just opens and clicks, but how each sequence correlates to actual sales and lifetime value. Cull everything that's just noise. Refine and relaunch with surgical precision. Every word must earn its place or die. If it isn't converting, kill it mercilessly. Your time is your greatest capital. Don't waste it on anything less than explosive growth. This is your blueprint. You're not here to play small or nod along. You're here to disrupt. To build sequences that don't just talk, they compel, convert, and scale your impact beyond borders. This rare truth is designed to liberate the few ready to break the chains of mediocre marketing and carve new empires. Those who reject comfort and demand mastery. Your emails will stop being ignored and start being hunted, shared, and anticipated. It's time to reclaim your power in the inbox and ignite sales like a wildfire nobody can put out. Stop underestimating what a killer sequence can do. The world lies. The system boxes you in, but your emails? They can break every last chain. That's the edge. That's the power waiting for you to grab. Don't blink. Don't pause. Go build it now.